Hey you guys, we're at Autozone. We're gonna pick up our parts, and Dee helped us, and Scott here is gonna put her all back together so we can get back on the road. My parts, so I didn't have to wait till Monday. So I wanted to film it in here. Yeah.
Oh, you filming me? Hi!
Hi, say hi YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Yeah. I got 5,118 subscribers, so a few people might be seeing
Well,
it.
let me tell you what, Joe and Mike back here, they take care of you. They really do.
Dee has done a really good job.
Dee, you got a deal. You gotta try her meatballs, I'm telling you what. She cooked for my wedding.
She did?
Oh yeah, she did.
Ah.
About the warranty on it.
So this is the Fort Mohave Autozone, and everybody is super friendly.
So in 6 months, bring it back to me so I can change it out and get you a fresh copy. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, no problem.
All right, take care.
You take care of yourself. Have a great day.
And here's Dee, you guys. This is Dee. She's helped us out, got us our stuff we needed, ordered it, and went out all kinds of trouble to help me out so I didn't have to wait past the weekend. Especially since my neighbor Scott is ready to hit the road. Oh, you already had that. Okay.
Yeah, I had it since yesterday.
Okay, so I just put this one back. Are they the same price or?
This one is actually cheaper.
Oh, okay, cool.
So, the only part we got to pay for is this and this.
Right?
This is already paid for. We'll
Okay.
have to sign for that one.
And I wanted to make sure that I got the right ones because I don't know anything about anything. And the hose is in here, the brake. And Scott goes, make sure you got the right ones. See how helpful they are here at Autozone? I love Autozone though.
Exactly.
That looks the same to me. Thank you, Dee.
You're welcome.
Yeah, if you guys come here to AutoZone in Fort Mohave, come talk to Dee. Very helpful.
So that's that one. Now let's check this caliper.
Yeah, Scott, the guy that's going to work on it, sitting out there with the dog.
That's all right. He could be the dog watcher.
Yep.
That's the one it called for.
Doesn't look the same
No,
though.
it doesn't look the same. This one's smaller.
Not going to work.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, well, maybe we got to order it. It has a part number on the side of that one, right?
Okay, I can look it up.
Dang it. That means I'm going to have to wait till Monday, huh?
Maybe, maybe not.
Okay. I'm glad that he told me to make sure.
Yeah.
He goes, sometimes you just got to make sure. And Dee's going to be a movie star now.
That's creepy.
That's the name of my channel, Deb's Creepy Abandoned Adventures and More.
I know, I looked at it last night.
Did you?
Yes, I did.
Awesome. Did you
'Cause
subscribe?
I follow another place, Paranormal,
Oh, do you?
out of Alabama. So
Well, you know what? I do a lot of ghost hunting, but I also did. I have a floating ghost doll on mine that's real. My cousin caught it on camera. I didn't. And then in Lake Mead at Echo Bay, my son and I were there, and one of my subscribers, and they're the first comment, so you can look at it and see where it is to listen. My son had shorts on. He's almost 40. And he walks around this corner, and this girl goes, nasty! Just like that. You could hear it as clear as day. And we didn't hear it at the time. You can only hear it on the video.
it was a 93.
That's a 93 454 P30.
Let me that help.
Okay.
I got the C530. Yes, it is.
As you can see, they're trying their best to help us out and get us back on the road so we can make videos for you guys. She tried really hard to get me the part we needed. They don't have it. So I'm going to have to go check out someone else. But they tried hard, and I want to give them credit for that.
And I still have your phone number over here.
Oh, good. See how efficient she is, you guys. I got you back on, by the way. I forgot to tell you.
Nah, it's all good.
You can just throw away that old brake line if you'd like.
Nah,
I don't really care to.
I'll send it and recycle it.
Thank you.
And there's for all your little goodies.
Okay, thank you so much. You guys say thank you, Dee.
Have a nice day.
Have a great day, because you know you can. Explore everything. Peace.
Friday.